Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 33b, in which we will learn mudari' forms of two more verbs starting with ya'budu and yadhkuru. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 141 words which occur almost 31,500 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI when you practice grammar. We have learned 4 important styles of verb in Arabic, which are fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. The differences are very small. For example, we have fataha, yaftahu, nasara, yansuru. We will take 2 more verbs today on the pattern of nasara, yansuru, and they are abada, ya'budu, and dhakara, yadhkuru. So abada means he worshipped. And we have learned fi'l madi, abada, abadu, abatta, abattu, abattum, abadna. When it comes to fi'l mudari', remember Yasir on your right, Yasir ya'budu, Yasirun ya'budun. And you, Tawfiq, ta'budu. Ana a'budu. Tawfiqun ta'budun. Nahnu na'budu. MashaAllah. Okay, can you translate? Ya'budu,
he worships.
Ya'buduna,
They worship.
ta'budu,
You worship.
أعبد
I worship.
تعبدون
You all worship.
نعبد
We worship.
MashaAllah. Repeat after me. يعبد يعبدون
يعبد يعبدون.
تعبد أعبد
تعبد أعبد.
تعبدون نعبد
تعبدون نعبد.
MashaAllah. Now let's talk in Arabic. Everyone here is worshipping Allah, so answer with a yes. نعم. هل يعبد؟
نعم يعبد.
هل يعبدون؟
نعم يعبدون.
هل تعبد؟
نعم أعبد.
هل تعبدون؟
نعم نعبد.
Okay, let us take يذكر. يذكر means he remembers. Can you translate? يذكر,
He remembers.
يذكرون,
They remembers.
تذكر,
You remember.
أذكر,
I remember.
تذكرون,
You all remember.
نذكر,
We remember.
MashaAllah. Can you repeat after me? يذكر يذكرون,
يذكر يذكرون.
تذكر أذكر,
تذكر أذكر.
تذكرون نذكر.
تذكرون نذكر.
MashaAllah. Now let's take dialogues now. Everyone here remembers Allah, so answer with a yes or na'am. So answer me. هل يذكر؟
نعم يذكر.
هل يذكرون؟
نعم يذكرون.
In these two cases, we have يذكر will remain as يذكر. Is he remembering? Yes, he is remembering. Are they remembering? Yes, they are remembering. But when it comes to هل تذكر, are you remembering? You will say نعم أذكر. تذكر will switch to أذكر and تذكرون will switch to نذكر. So answer me. هل تذكر؟
نعم أذكر.
هل تذكرون؟
نعم نذكر.
MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.